Alright, so first one, what you have to have is your English book here and turn to Unit 6. Unit 6 is on page 38. Okay, page 38. Okay, turn your book to page 38. Yeah. Good. So once you've done turning your book to page 38, and today's we are going to study noun. Okay, it's very simple and it's a little bit complicated. Noun. Do you know what is a noun? So nouns is referred to a thing, a thing, a place. It's referred to a name of thing. A place, an animal, and a person. Okay, a person. So what is like a thing? As you can see around yourself, there is a book. A book is also a noun, right? A pencil is a noun. A wallet, a wallet is also a noun. A place like school, house, hospital, a park, central festival, these are nouns. Animal like cat, dog, a panda, an elephant, these are nouns too. A person like a student, a teacher, astronauts, director, these are nouns. But today we are going to focus on now that we can count and now that we cannot count. So what do we call this one? We call that
เปิดหน้าไหนนะคะ
38. Alright, so today we are going to study this one, countable and uncountable noun. So what does that mean by these two words? Counts, like count, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So able, in Thai means right? So countable noun means that something that you can count, like 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, in English it means no, right? No. So in Thai meansไม่ able สามารถ okay ไม่สามารถนับได้ so countable and uncountable noun. Uncountable noun you cannot count because there are a lot. There is a lot like water, sugar, rice, salt. These are some examples. All right, so nouns that we can count are countable nouns. For example, students, okay, dog, book, school. You can count students. How many students are there in your class? 20? How many? How many students are there in your class?
25.
25. See, you can count 25 students, right?
Yes.
Sayananton. And how many dogs do you have at your house? For example, you have 2 dogs and I have 5 cats. Okay, so you can count dog 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Books. Okay, here how many books are there here? There are 3 books, so you can count 3 books. There is 1 school, so these are countable now. So when we want to change from a countable noun, we have to use a, okay? For a singular noun, student, a student, dog, a dog, books, 3 books, school, a school, okay? School, a school. You have to have this kind of article จะต้องมีเสมอ okay? If you come here alone like student, it's not correct, okay? You have to put a and or the before a noun. Noun that we cannot count. Noun that we cannot count. Cannot. Count are uncountable noun. For example, meat. We cannot count meat. If you want to count meat, we have to measure by kilogram, right? 1 kilogram of meat. 1 kilogram of beef, 1 kilogram of pork. So this one you cannot buy pieces. Also rice. Rice you also cannot count. Okay, you cannot count rice because there are so many pieces of rice in your plate or in your bowl. So there are so many, which means there are a lot, so you cannot count. So count uncountable now. Can we put a? Countable now, can we put a? No, we cannot put a. We put meats and rice alone. Okay? All right. On your page number 38, let's do question number 1 to number 5. Okay? Question number 1 to number 5. Number 1, picture. Is that a countable noun or countable noun? Number 1, picture. On your page 38. 38. Okay, number 1, picture. It's countable noun or uncountable noun? นับได้หรือไม่ได้ Picture.
countable noun
If a countable noun, you just write C for countable noun and write U for uncountable noun. All right? Number 2. Number 2 is grapes. Okay, grapes. Is it countable and uncountable noun? Grapes. Number 2. Angun. It's countable now or uncountable now? นับได้ไหม Can you count grapes? Countable now. Number 3. Whiskey. Can you count water? Can you count liquid thing? Can you? No, right? So whiskey is
uncountable noun
uncountable noun. So if you want to count whiskey, we count or we can count by bottle, right? A bottle of whiskey, a glass of whiskey. ใช่ไหมเราจะนับอย่างนี้ A glass of whiskey, a bottle of whiskey, a jar of whiskey. It's the same as water. A glass of water, a bottle of water. Number 4. Toy. Can you count toy? Can you? You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. Can you count toy?
countable
Yes, it's countable now because you can count 1 toy, 2 toys, 3 toys, 4 toys, 5 toys, and many more. And last one, number 5, wood. Wood. Can you count wood? Can you? We cannot count wood. So wood is uncountable noun. So from question number 6 to question number 20, you can do by yourself as your homework, okay? You just write down What? You just write down say in the front of the vocabulary for countable noun. Okay? And you just write U for uncountable noun. Okay? Do you understand countable and uncountable noun? Yes or no? Okay, before I move to a singular or plural noun, let's make a conclusion. Countable noun is a noun that, okay, countable, A, can count, B, cannot, count. Okay, which one? Countable noun is a noun that you can count or you cannot count. A or B? A or B?
A.
A, correct. It's countable noun. It's a noun that you can count. So in contrast, uncountable noun a noun that you cannot count. All right. Let's move to a singular and plural noun. Okay, a singular and plural noun. So singular, which means single. You know, single. It means one. Okay, one. Only one. Plural. Plural means what? It means more than one. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Many more. Okay? Singular is one. Plural means more than one. Okay? Singular noun is referred to a singular items of a noun. Plural noun is referred to more than one. Okay? For example, this one we have learned already. So noun, it can be person, right? Noun, it can be place. Nouns can be animal. Nouns can be thing. So noun can be person, can be place, can be animal, and can be thing. Let's take a look for a singular noun. So singular noun is referred to one. Okay, it referred to one. See here, one. And only one. Only one. Person, a place, an animal, or a thing. For example, this is a boy. So this is a singular noun, right? One boy. This is a place, all right? Place. A school. It's referred to one school, right? An animal, it's referred to a dog, one dog. So this one we call a singular. A thing, what is this? It is a desk. So it's referred to one desk, only one. All right? Let's see number 2, plural noun. So plural noun, it's referred to more than one. Okay, one plus, more than one of something. For example, this is one student and become 2 students, right? Or boys. We put S. If you want to form a singular noun to plural noun, most of the noun you just put S, right? A boy, boys. A boy, 2 boys. Okay, how many schools are there? They are schools, right? School. Or 2 schools with S here. 2 schools. Just put S to form a plural noun. An animal, 1 dog, 2 dogs. Dogs or 2 dogs. A thing, like this, desks and 2 desks, right? how to change a singular to a plural เปลี่ยนอย่างไรจาก singular to plural how do we change let's see here it's on your page 39 okay it's on your page 39 first one how to change here add an s to most of singular noun to form a plural for example an apple become apples right wait let's see okay just okay question number 6 go to your question number 6 computer become there are many computers just put s okay question number 6 ทำไปเลยนะ question number 6 and number 7 letter become letters just put s number 8 folder become folders number 11 jean become jeans just put s 11 okay just put s number 12 flower become what become flowers just put s number 13 job become jobs just put s number 16 dentists become dentists just put s number 18 exercise become exercises just put s number 19 fountain become fountains just put s castle 20 number 20 castle become castle just put s okay just put s next all right this one number 2 wait okay number 2 a noun add ies to a singular noun which end with y but before y is a consonant okay just put ies after a noun that ending with y but before y is consonant let's see here is there some example no they are not here okay for example like this a city this is one city if there are so many city we just put cities okay drop y or delete y out and put ies so this is one city 2 cities all right next a baby okay one baby become babies delete y and put ies party is one party so we drop y out and put ies This one lady, one lady and two ladies. Delete y and put ies. Next, mummy, one mummy. So we drop y out and put ies to make it plural noun. Next, add es, okay, add es to a singular noun that end with ss, ch, x, o, z to form a plural noun. Is there any some examples here? Let me check. No, there's not. All right. For example, a box, so ending with x, we put boxes, es. Okay. Next, what is this? A brush. So we put brushes, es, because a brush ends with sh. Next, a sandwich end with ch, so we put sandwiches. Okay? A regular noun we cannot change. Irregular. Means ไม่ regular means ปกติ so this one now ไม่ปกติคำนามที่มันไม่ปกติ so we cannot apply those rules. Just put s, es or ies. This irregular noun we have to change a word นะต้องเปลี่ยนรูป For example, this is a man. So it's spelled with a. So a man become men. Two men. Let's see question number 10. Question number 10. Woman become woman. Number 10. Number 10. Do it number 10 now. So how to differentiate from a man or a woman? You can take a look for the alphabet. A แปลว่าหนึ่งใช่ไหม A means one. E mean 10 เพราะฉะนั้นถ้า men นั่นหมายความว่าแค่หนึ่งคน men สะกดด้วยตัว e มันหมายถึง 10 ใช่ไหม 10 ก็สะกดด้วยตัว e เหมือนกัน เพราะฉะนั้นมันแปลว่ามากกว่า1 A means one. Men means many. Like woman. A it mean one. Right? Mean one. Woman. E it mean 10. It's more than one. So woman is a singular. Woman is plural. A fish and fish is the same. Okay? One fish and many fish. It's the same. We don't put anything. Okay? We don't put anything. Next. A goose. เห็นไหมสะกดด้วยตัว O. O mean one. หนึ่งตัว Okay? A goose. So geese. มันสะกดด้วยตัว A which mean 10 มันมากกว่า1นั่นเอง Okay? A goose and geese. Here, one mouse. สะกดด้วยตัว O. Mouse, O mean one. Okay, one. A mice สะกดด้วยตัว I which means 6 เห็นไหมมากกว่า1 Look at the question number 2 ลองทำ number 2 ต้องเปลี่ยนเป็นอะไร Be careful, there are a lot of a mouse or mice. Mice. Question number 2. There's more. Okay, one tooth again one tooth ก็คือฟันหนึ่งซี่ถ้าหลายซี่สะกดด้วยตัว e teeth alright look at question number 4 question number 4 one tooth สะกดด้วยตัว o o mean one e it mean 10 มากกว่าหนึ่งเพราะฉะนั้น question number 4 you have to change from one tooth become teeth alright next นักเรียนดูตรงนี้ a word that ended with f or fe เราจะทำอย่างไรให้มันเป็น plural noun for example a wife ภรรยาหนึ่งคนนะภรรยาหนึ่งคน if you want to make it plural มากกว่าหนึ่งคำที่ลงท้ายด้วย f or ef you have to change from f or ef become v เปลี่ยน f fe เป็น v ก่อน and then put es become wife like this v e s okay look at question number 1 thief okay โจร thief ทำให้โจรเป็นหลายคนทำยังไง t h e เปลี่ยนจาก f เป็น v แล้วก็ put e s question number 3 how to change it question number 3 scarf question number 3 okay scarf become scarf v e s next okay no more what about the word food food is a regular noun one food and one foods เท้าข้างเดียวใช่หรือไม่ because it's spelled with o mean one ถ้าเท้าสองข้างใช้อะไร e t feet all right done we've done our class today so I hope you understand my lesson and I want you to finish your homework all right your homework page 38 exercise 1 all right question number 6 to number 20 หน้า 39เมื่อกี้เราเสร็จแล้วนะ go to page 40 exercise 3 exercise 3 ให้นักเรียนเติมคำนามที่มันเป็นเอกพจน์หรือพหุพจน์นะ for example number 1 there is a quiet and dark forest there is ใช้กับคำนามที่มันเป็นเอกพจน์หรือพหุพจน์ there is ใช้กับคำนามที่มันเป็นเอกพจน์และคำนามนับไม่ได้เพราะฉะนั้นข้อ 1 you just put forest okay forest Look at number 2 there are many จาก story เป็นอะไรจาก story เมื่อกี้คำนามที่ลงท้ายด้วยตัว y ต้องตัด y ออกก่อนใช่หรือไม่ so delete y drop y out and put I E S become there are many stories that's exercise 3 on page 40 และสุดท้าย exercise 4 exercise 4 page 40 ให้นักเรียนเปลี่ยนคำนามที่อยู่ในรูปเอกพจน์เปลี่ยนเป็นคำนามใหม่ like you have to change from a singular noun to what no change from a plural noun to a singular noun change from plural nouns to a singular noun for example number 1 my sister my sisters ใช่ไหม sisters อยู่ในรูปแบบของ plural เพราะว่ามันมี s how do we change to a singular noun ทำยังไงแค่ลบตัว s ออกแค่ลบตัว s ออกก็จะกลายเป็น a singular so become my sister and I not my sisters my sister all right this is your homework okay page 38 exercise 1 from question 6 to question 20 and page 40 exercise 3 and exercise 4 okay we've done our class today thank you so much for coming